Do you want to know the secret to making $100 a day and making money online? Not what all these stupid ass videos you've came across so far about these false hopes and false dreams, but real actionable steps that you guys can take to make $100 per day as soon as today. So if so, right, stay tuned.
Over habits of my heart, I can't say no. It's ripping me apart.
What's going on, guys? Eric Ellis Jr. here with EricEllisJr.com, and if this is your first time coming across my channel, the objective, guys, is to help you guys live a life of time, location, and financial freedom by learning a skill set and mastering generating an income online. Now, if you guys want any chance of succeeding in this space, make sure to hit that subscribers button and hit that notifications bell, right? Now, you've came across plenty of these different videos online with these gurus who are telling you guys how to generate an income online, but they're really not giving you guys any actionable steps, or they give you guys some false hopes, some false dreams, right? Now, the number one way to generate an income online is what I'm going to cover within this video, right? And once you guys understand this concept, it does not matter what industry you guys choose, you will be able to get results. Now, first and foremost, I want to apologize ahead of time for any noise or anything of that nature. I'm in a public space, currently in Bali, Indonesia, right? And I actually do make money online full-time. I've been doing so for quite some time now, and it's allowed me to travel the world, right? If you guys want to live that lifestyle, travel the world, work from home, spend more time with your friends, your family, you're gonna want to continue to watch this video and watch till the very end, so that way I can actually give you the magic formula, right? Now, the first thing, right? I'm not talking about e-com, affiliate marketing, anything of that nature, right? No. The first thing that you want to focus on, if you want any chance of making money online, is number one, which is solving a problem, right? Now, where are there some problems that can be solved, right? Now, if we're trying to make $100 per day, all we have to make is $3,000 per month, and we're at our goal, right? Now, let me give you guys a prime example of me using my resourcefulness to generate $3,000 a month, right? Now, here's the thing. There's so many people out there who have a small business or who are really not good at social media. They have some sort of business, or they're a personal brand, they're an entrepreneur, and they know nothing about social media, right? You might be that social media guru. You might be addicted to Instagram, addicted to Facebook, or anything of that nature, right? Instead of making it a hindrance, use that skill set to actually generate an income. What I mean by that, somebody who has a problem, who has crappy content layout on their Instagram, who doesn't really know how to create good, nice content, right? That's all you do, right? Figure out how you can actually reach out to that person and say, hey, listen, I see what you're doing here. You have a great brand. It looks like you offer a great product, a great service. You have a great business, or anything of that nature, right? Instagram is actually my expertise. Let me help you. Go ahead and give them a 7-day free trial, right, of you creating content for them, you doing web development, whatever it is, right? But providing a service in exchange for money, right? And literally, I used to run Facebook ads for people because that's something that I learned how to do by doing digital marketing, affiliate marketing. So what I did, you don't have to do Facebook ads, guys. It doesn't matter. Just find a problem. Something where people would rather outsource to somebody else instead of doing it themselves, right? Find a problem, and the way that you find a problem is simply thinking to yourself, what is there something that people need, right, or could improve on or get quicker results that I can step in and help them? An example, as I was stating before, I used to charge people $1,500 per month, right, to run their Facebook ads. Now let's do the math really quick. 2 clients, and I'm at $3,000 a month, and I'm at $100 per day. Guys, it's not rocket scientists. You have to be resourceful. So many people want to make money online, but not really willing to put in the work, put in the hustle, right? And figure out some skill set that you have that somebody else can benefit, right? Now, there's 2 ways to make money online. Number 1 is by providing a service, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys number 2. That's why you need to keep on watching this video. I promise you it's gonna be worth it. This is about ideas, right? Getting you guys your mind going, so that way you guys can actually start applying one of these things. Give you that light bulb, give you that magic idea to help you finally get results. Number 2 is a product, right? What type of product can you sell that provides a solution to somebody's problem? Now here's the thing, you're probably thinking to yourself, okay, there's a lot of people who have problems that if I was to sell a product to them, right, they'd probably be able to solve it, right? But you're probably thinking, I don't know how to create a product. I don't know where to find the resources or find the people or anything of that nature, right? That's where what I do for a living comes into play. It's called affiliate marketing, right? So number 1 was a service. We can go to provide a service for people. That costs 0 money, right? Number 2 is affiliate marketing. That costs 0 money. To where you don't have to deal with the fulfillment. What that means is you don't have to actually fulfill the order of this person. Now, if somebody is trying to lose weight, what I can do is sell them a product that solves that problem. Affiliate marketing, what happens is when you sell an affiliate marketing product, you recommend the product. Once they buy it, the product or the people who own it or the affiliate network pays you a commission. They split the profits with you or the revenue with you, right? So figure out a problem, right, that you want to solve, that you're passionate about solving. It's called your niche, right? Whether it's weight loss, fitness, people who are struggling financially, if you want to help people out in that aspect. If people are having struggle with their romance or self-development, they want to learn and they want to develop, right? There's a whole bunch of people with a whole bunch of problems out there that need your help. And not only can you provide services to these type of people, but if that's not what they need, if they need a product, right? Figure out what you're passionate about, find products in that space, right? And then what you can do is you can learn and master ways to get these products in front of these people who are literally searching for it. Get it in front of them. Once you get it in front of them, they're gonna go out and buy that product. You simply just have to make $100 a day. Let's be honest here. You find a product that sells at $50 commissions, right? You just gotta sell 2 of them per day. And if you master getting people in front of these offers with YouTube, search engine optimization, or social media marketing, or leveraging your Instagram account, all these type of methods of getting these people in front of your offer, you're gonna go ahead and get paid, right? Commissions. Now, if you guys wanna learn more about this concept, I actually have an ebook called Affiliates Playbook, link in the description, right? That's what I've used to travel the freaking world for the last 12 months, simply recommending products to people who have a problem, and I'm helping them out, solving the problem with my product, and once I help them out, I generate a commission. Now, what's pretty cool is my traffic sources, right? The methods that I use to actually get people in front of these offers are usually passive, so I make a lot of money while I sleep. I wake up, I check my emails, oh cool, you made $400 today. What do you want to do? Do you want to go eat? Do you want to go to the beach? What do you feel like doing today, right? That's how my life is, right? And it's amazing. So imagine being able to live that type of lifestyle. Grab access to that ebook, link in the description. It'll literally be the first freaking link. Grab access to it. And number 2, on the back end, you actually get access to a free video that'll literally explain even more depth of what I actually do and how you can take part to generate an income. So figure out how to solve a problem, guys, whether you're providing a service or if you're providing a product, right? Find something that you're passionate about, something that you're good at, and get to freaking work. If you guys gain any value, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. Join the family. You are a wolf. I'm gonna help you guys live a life of time, location, and financial freedom. And hit that notifications bell, because if you don't, you're not really subscribed. Let's be honest here. Now, I publish videos every single day. So that being said, I will see you tomorrow. As always, Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.
Yeah, Gucci gang. Oh, yeah.
Big head on the beat.
Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang.